welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can easily turn off the spell check on the Google Docs. So in here, I'm going to just open a document on my Google Docs. For example, just open this one right here. And now after the file or the document is open, if you want to turn off the spelling check or the grammar check, you can just go to tools in here on the Google Docs, click on the tools and you'll see spelling and grammar. Now we can just uncheck this spelling suggestion to turn off the spelling checks. Just like this, you can click on that. So now the spelling check has been turned off. And that's pretty much all. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, click on the thanks button below. Bye.